Hey everyone. Okay, so today I have Shagun with me. Let me just add her. That was
What's up? Are you saying something or it's just excitement?
I am really happy.
Okay, perfect, perfect. So, Shravan, what we'll do is let me just give quick introduction to people about this session, and then we'll begin. Right. So,
Yes.
there's a background story for this particular thing. So when I started off my business in December, Jan, I, to be really honest, wasn't, even today, I'm not really sure if I have enough knowledge when it comes to finance, money, and all the things involved, right? And that's the main reason I wanted to have somebody who can talk to me about all of these things. When I met you during our different boot camps, you told me that this is something you have to offer. This is something you are doing as your workshops. And at that time, I had this idea as to this is the best way, because what happens when we talk about finance, a lot of people put it in a very serious way. A lot of people, obviously, their intention is good. I'm not denying it, but the way they put forward things are just not right, or are not. What do I say? They are not fun, right? And when you came
Okay.
in, I was very sure that okay, this is somebody who can like make you laugh, but at the same time, she'll make a lot of sense, and you will understand what she's talking about when it comes to money and finance. So, welcome to this session, Shagun. Thank you so much for agreeing to do this, and I'm very sure that we are going to kill this together.
Yes, it's such a privilege, dude. Like I have learned so much from you, and it's just been so phenomenal in my life. Okay, so in this lockdown, I did two things that I'm really proud of. Because I attended your workshops, I was able to conduct workshops and also like understand how Instagram plays because you have taught me so many things. It is not just about the courses; it's also about the confidence. Okay, that comes when you deposit me.
Hmm.
And that is very that is something that you cannot put a price on. That is something that you can never thank enough for. Okay. And other thing that I did is I started working out. Okay. So I'm really really thankful for both these things, and inviting me on this Prime platform is just mind blowing. I was waiting. I was so excited for this day that I worked out in the morning because in the evening I have to do live with you.
Perfect,
So like
perfect.
I was super set.
Perfect. So, Shravan, let's start with you. Tell me about yourself. Now, let me give you a disclaimer, not just for you, for everybody else who is in the conversation. There are kids at my house. So, please expect some kind of noise, background effects you will be seeing. Sorry for that in advance, but let's just focus on whatever being talked and discussed here, because I'm very sure that both of us have a very great intention when it comes to having this live and talking about finance. And I'm very sure that if you are here with 100% attention, you will get the most out of this session, right? So, Shagun, tell me about yourself, which background you come from. Like, obviously, I know, but this is, primarily for my followers. Tell me.
Okay. So I actually am a stand-up comedian and I'm a finance professor. So most of the time I just try to be a funny professor. And
Okay.
I think I have this, I think I just like talking. Like I figured out I have two professions, both of them involve talking. So I just like talking. And because I love talking so much, I have two boyfriends. मतलब एक अगर थक गया बात करते करते, I have somebody else there. Uh,
Okay.
yeah, one thing that I realized very early on is कि my parents are very कंजूस. ठीक है, मतलब
Okay.
जायदाद में कुछ मिलने वाला नहीं है और उनके पास जायदाद है भी नहीं शायद. ठीक है. So one thing
Okay.
that I knew very early on is I have to create my own mark, and I have to do it on my own. Nobody is going to help me reach it because my parents come from very conservative life, like all of our parents. Okay, my father was in defense, my mother is a teacher. तो मतलब as strict environment that you come from, so more you know कि you know देखो अपना जुगाड़ खुद ही करना पड़ेगा, माँ बाप हेल्प नहीं करेंगे.
Okay.
And that is when I fell in love with finance because see you fall in love with things that you don't get, right? तो
Correct.
बचपन में पैसा नहीं मिला तो I was like कि पैसा कैसे generate करना है, okay?
Right.
So that drove me towards money and towards finance. So when I scored, like I scored pretty decent marks in class 10, which I think 85, 90 कुछ आया था, I don't know. And then everybody was like, take science, take science, take science. And the reason I did not want to take science is if you see my 10th का mark sheet till now, मेरे maths और science में ही कम marks हैं. Why should I go into that field which I am flunking anyway, and it's gonna get difficult after class, and it's not gonna
Correct.
get easier.
Correct.
And more importantly, because nobody talked about money. Like for example, if I asked my father his salary, he would not tell me. He was like, "तुम्हें क्या
Oh
करना है?"
God. I can imagine the stare.
Yeah,
The way people
and
stare you the moment you talk about money. Like it's not just
yeah,
about
and
salary,
then
but in general money.
yeah, and I was very like I told you, like I love talking, so I would talk to people also about their money. ठीक है, like uncle, auntie. मतलब see they have like for me it was like they have bought a place. मतलब उनका एक फ्लैट नहीं, उनके 2-3 फ्लैट है. So I would very innocently ask because I really wanted to know कि आपके पास इतना पैसा कहाँ से आया खरीदने के लिए, because I know what is very expensive. Yeah.
Okay.
And coming from like a 16-year-old, they were like, what is this चूतिया? ठीक है, मतलब ये क्या ही है? But it spoke about money. So then I was like, you know what? Because people are not talking about money because probably they want that knowledge to be to themselves.
Correct.
They don't want to share it because it's something very serious and everything about. And like I told you, माँ बाप ने तो salary नहीं बताई, बाकी तो क्या? So
Correct.
pocket money का भी कुछ नहीं था. So then I thought कि only way I can know about money is if I educate myself on it, because nobody is talking about it. And if I educate myself on it, they will not even have a problem. They might have a problem कि अगर बाजू वाले को पूछ लिया कि अच्छा अंकल आपके 4 घर कैसे? But अगर मैं ये सीखूं कि what is economy, what is currency, क्यों a very basic thing कि क्यों नहीं हम लोग सब लोगों को पैसे मिंट करके दे देते हैं.
Correct.
गवर्नमेंट है, ठीक
Correct.
है, पैसे आरबीआई गवर्नमेंट ही बना रही है, तो भाई प्रिंट करके सबको दे दो ना, सब अमीर हो जाएंगे. So
Correct.
as a 16-year-old, that was my brain. So I wanted to find answers for all those things, and that is what drew me to money.
Okay. So when we talk about money, when we talk about finance, now you told about how you got interested into it, but when was
Yeah.
the time you decided to take it up as a career? Like I know you are a stand-up comedian, but I also know that you came to that decision, or you came to that conclusion, pretty late in your what do you say, in your journey. But how was the decision first made when it came to choosing finance as your primary what do you say, profession? Primary or the earlier, I would say, because right now both are primary. But
Yeah.
how did you
One
work
that
on it?
makes me money, primarily.
Yes.
Okay. One that is not making me file it.
And other one gets you FIRs. Exactly.
Yes. So I that is what I say, that I am teaching because I want to have bail money when I get FIR.
Exactly.
Okay, so about finance, I was when I took it in class 11th, 12th, when we had commerce, I liked the subject. And also people who taught it probably made it fun for me. And I also liked it. See, I can never say that I would have liked it as much if I had a pathetic teacher or who would not have taught me so well.
Correct.
And something like accounting, it requires brain. So my teacher in the college was not able to do justice to it, so I took tuitions and all. And the lady I took tuitions from, she taught me so well that I fell in love with that subject. And then I thought, what can I do more? And then since nobody in my family had taken commerce, nobody had any idea, so I had to carve my own way, which was very refreshing but also very challenging.
Okay.
And also, like, I was a rebel child. Like, I didn't want to follow my parents' footsteps. मतलब मेरे को नहीं join करना है defense. I don't want to teach. And I was like, I'll do this. And also, like, one thing that people have is that ki finance is made so glorious. It's amazing. मतलब paisa, like Wolf of the Wall Street, Dalal Street, so many streets that you forget your own street. Okay. So we fabricated so beautifully. Okay. So I was also probably smitten by that पैसा रहेगा तो इज्जत रहेगी, पैसा ये पैसा वो, ठीक है. And that is the reason why I did MBA finance. And that is also a funny story. Like you imagine CAT is one of the difficult exam that you have to write in India.
Correct.
And there are so
Correct.
many people who appear for it. Okay.
Correct.
एंड आई वाज वेरी लाइक इनटू इट कि नहीं नहीं एकदम आईएम्स में जाना है, ठीक है. औकात नहीं है मेरा आईएम्स में जाने के, बट आई प्रिपेयर्ड सो वेल एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड देन उस समय ब्रेकअप भी हो गया था. एंड आई वाज लाइक अब मैं इसको भी दिखाऊंगी क्या क्या इसको छोड़ के गया है ये वो, ठीक है. आई स्टडीड रियली हार्ड, बट देन आई कुड नॉट स्कोर अमेजिंग मार्क्स दैट यू नीड फॉर आईएम्स, बट आई कुड स्कोर आई थिंक 93-95 percentile, which for which I got called from like lower IIMs, like IIM Lucknow or something. I told my father IIM, okay, and then he saw the fees like 12 lakh.
Oh God, yes.
And that was the time that I realized I can take education loan. And then I researched about it because again, कोई बताएगा नहीं ना education loan के pitfalls. So I researched about it and I found out what if I don't get a job. Like as per my track record and as per my parents, I am a failure. तो कैसे फिर जॉब नहीं मिला तो फिर कैसे पे करेंगे माँ बाप, फिर और मतलब प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. That's why I took admission in one of the colleges in Mumbai, Thakur College in Kandivali. I like fees decent है, माँ बाप अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं. Like I studied in probably 4 lakhs or 5 lakhs like for entire 2 years. So that was I think a good decision that I took because I did not have anything on my head.
Correct.
So I studied finance. And I got to know about money, and then I was incredibly lucky to even get the placement from the college before even my semester ended. Like last semester के पहले ही I was placed. And the company that I worked in was so pathetic. So that is a company I don't even write in the resume because I left it in 2 months.
Okay.
ठीक है. And it was very mechanical कि मतलब ये करना है, and there was no input that I could give. मतलब वो कंपनी ऐसा था कि अगर आपको वॉशरूम में जाना है तो कंप्यूटर लॉक करके जाना पड़ेगा. एंड दैट विल बी एडेड टू योर आउट टाइम, ठीक है. तो आपको 1 घंटे का ब्रेक है, ये उसके ब्रेक में इंक्लूड होगा. एंड बिकॉज इट वाज अ फाइनेंस कंपनी, यू कुड नॉट टेक योर फोन, इट हैड टू बी लॉक्ड आउट एंड एवरीथिंग. इट वाज वेरी
I can guess which company is this, but okay, let's not take names here.
No, I don't care. They got no shit on me, dude. It was Excel Dynamics and Navimbay. I don't care. Okay. And then I left it in 2 months and then I was like, अब क्या करेंगे. अब जब सब लोगों को जॉब मिल रही थी तो मैंने जॉब रिजाइन कर दी, ठीक है. It was good paying job. My parents were like, what is wrong with you? And one thing that I realized is कि पैसा कैसे भी मिलेगा, but you have to be good at what you do.
Exactly.
And luckily for me that worked out. So I reached out to some comedians whose comedy I like because that was the time I started watching comedy.
Right.
And I reached out to them and they told me, okay, work for us. And that is when I started working with YouTube, Google. Through them, I got entry into one of the best places in the world to work in. And that is where they taught me about finance. They taught me about financial integration with IT, which is something blew my mind. Because finance is finance, IT is IT. How can you integrate it? And that is when I learned about SAP. That is when I learned about ERP, and all those things helped me in finding out how what we teach is so outdated. Nobody taught me about all those things.
And so isolated, I believe. So isolated, right? Because they just teach you, okay, this is what it is, and there is nothing इसके आगे इसके पीछे, which is so wrong.
And especially in my MBA, I had wonderful teachers. I am still in contact with them and I still adore them. And it's because of their suggestion. Like I always liked teaching. So I was like, I want to do this. I want to teach college kids. Because why? Because my mother teaches school kids, no? So rebel.
Probably inherited.
हाँ तो थोड़ा सा rebel ऊपर, ठीक है. So then they told me, no, you do not teach now because you will have nothing new to add. Once you work, you'll find
you will have your experiences. Also.
Exactly, and I'm so glad every day that I listen to them and I work. So that is when I got to know about technical aspect of finance, and the work was good and everything. But then कीड़ा, मैं data analysis कर रही हूँ, finance का core काम तो हो नहीं रहा. So then I want to leave this job. So I worked there for like 6 months, 9 months, something like that. like in prime institute, imagine. And then I left, and then I worked in IT companies and figured out a lot of things on my own, a lot of shitty jobs later. Then people, because I was interested in teaching, so I used to apply कि मेरे को पढ़ाने को दे दो.
Right.
23 साल के बच्चे को कोई क्या ही देगा.
Correct.
But still, in DY Patil College, they gave me a chance कि अच्छा ठीक है पढ़ाओ. And luckily for me, the students gelled up and they liked me. So it went on. So from one college, I got other colleges, and simultaneously my work was there because as a business analyst, I did not require to be in office all the time. I could say, I am with the client. Fuck it,
Right.
lecture. So that was all good. It was only when I decided that I want to pursue teaching full time and stand-up comedy full time and leave my corporate job is when I thought कि पैसे का crunch.
Correct.
And that is where I found out the need for personal finance because nobody told me about it. Nobody told me how to go about it, and I didn't know jack shit about managing money. So imagine I had done MBA finance. I had worked with the best company that there is in the world. And still, I didn't know how to manage money.
You have taught it to people. That is also there. You have taught to some students.
At that point of time, I was just teaching like accounts and all. So personal finance is something that even in the colleges, it's not there.
Yes, correct. Agree.
हाँ, तो वो सब मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ, but जो main चीज़ है वो नहीं पढ़ा रही हूँ, and it's not applicable to me. So I remember I used to do stand-up comedy shows, and like I stay in Navi Mumbai, so 3 घंटा ट्रैवल करके जाओ, 5 मिनट का सेट करो और 3 घंटा ट्रैवल करके आओ, ठीक है. एंड आई डिडंट हैव मनी, सो आई वुड वॉक लाइक 2-3 किलोमीटर्स टू रीच द वेन्यू. I did not even have money to buy tickets, so I have gone in the local train without ticket. So I used to see ये TC जैसी लग रही है क्या, ये जैसी TC नहीं लग रही है ना, तो ये पक्का TC होगी. So there are times that I ran, ठीक है. For somebody who is like almost 100 kilos as I am, running is such a joke to other people, ठीक है. But I have ran because I felt like that, and that is when I realized कि नहीं पैसे का management, because I've been broke for so long. Passion अगर आप find कर रहे हो, you will be broke. So for example, anybody who is starting a business, be it a baker, be it somebody who is into blogging, who is into freelancing, one thing that they will find difficulty is in managing funds because nobody talks about it. Personal finance छोड़ो, आपके business का finance भी आपसे कोई directly बात नहीं करेगा. अगर आपको directly उनसे बात करनी है, they'll charge you fucking load of money.
Exactly.
So and it is something. See, one thing that I've learned by doing and failing so much and having parents who made sure that and I used to hate my parents. I still do, but at that point of time I hated them more because they would not give me money, dude. Like itna kam time ja raha, itna I am in such a bad phase, and they did not help me out, and I'm glad they didn't. Because they didn't help me out, I made sure that I find my own way.
Exactly.
And I'm thankful to them for that. That they came and they were like, see, we have paid for your education. You want
now you are on your own.
हमने उसका पैसे दिया, but they were very clear. We are not expecting money from you.
But at least do something for yourself.
Yeah, but don't also like ask for money. Like that is their core principle, that don't ask us for money. My mother is like little emotional, like all mothers. She's like, क्या कर रहे हो life में? My father is like, I do not give a fuck. You don't take my money. I've spent already a lot on you. And that was like very freeing because then there are a lot of people who have responsibilities of house. The house runs on their shoulder.
Exactly.
And I was lucky enough to have this chance where I could figure my passion out. And if you are somebody who is starting their own business, I understand it is very overwhelming. And very depressing, and when you see like on Instagram or any other social media feed that your friends probably they were not as smart as you but are enjoying life. हर दिन मतलब Friday night party हो रही है और आप Friday night को grill कर रहे हो कि भाई मेरे पास अगले दिन के लिए पैसे नहीं है, या अगले पेमेंट कहाँ से आएगी, या मेरा वेबसाइट काम करना है उसके लिए पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे.
Correct.
So all these are very, very true things. But one thing that I have figured out is the more you struggle, the better you get. If I would not have gone for those train tickets, ठीक है, now तो मतलब मैं इज्जत में I go in a fucking cab. Like when I started making money, I was like, train is for गरीब people, not even a cab. और वो भी Uber pool या नहीं, उसमें late हो जाता है, direct cab. I've done all that chutia as well. Okay. So,
Right.
so because until unless you have not struggled for it, you will not understand the value of money. So when somebody gives you like 700 rupees also, no, you feel thankful for that 700 rupees. When you
And
have
you
to pay
also
your
know the
maid 1,000
importance of
rupees.
the, yeah, and you also know the importance also, because I remember
Exactly.
when I started taking sessions earlier, I used to feel, sort of guilty as to, I'm charging this much. I am not sure if the other person would be able to do so or not. But then I realized that I know the importance of it, and if I want other person to know the importance of it, they also will have to put in the efforts from by paying, right? So a lot of times it happens as an entrepreneur or as somebody who is just now starting off, probably by freelancing or something. Initially, yes, charging somebody something feels a lot to you because you are asking for it and all of that. But as you said, once you go through the rough patch, you understand the importance, you understand the value of it, and then you are like, no, this is what is my worth, and I cannot take anything less than that. I really like this because from my personal experience also, I really relate with whatever you are saying, especially with this point as you go through thoda struggle, right? You will realize, because right now I am also doing, like, I started my business probably in January. So
Yeah.
how many months? Like 8 months. And I now realize that it's all about uncertainty, right? What if tomorrow nobody comes, nobody enrolls for the program? What if tomorrow all of my expenses are not covered, right? All of these tensions and all of these different things, yes, there are there. Another important thing I would love to know as to what are the three mistakes that you feel entrepreneurs do when they are starting off, or what are the three mindset shifts that they need?
See, one thing that I've been incredibly lucky with is so in the college that I teach now, there's a subject called as entrepreneurship, and they were like, "Ma'am, will you teach it?" And I was like, "Okay." And the more I researched about it, because you cannot go to class blankly, you have to know more than the students now, because आजकल मोबाइल सबके पास है, गूगल सबके पास है और जियो सिम सबके पास है. आप क्या बताओगे उनको जो गूगल नहीं बता सकता?
Correct, correct, so
Okay.
true.
So more I researched on it and more I spoke to people, because see, what is on Google it cannot be found when I am talking to real people. So for example, when I am talking to you, your real
Correct,
struggles are more real than what Google will tell me.
exactly.
So I spoke to people and I figured out most of the people. So number one point is, a lot of people didn't know what are the government policies that are in place to make sure that entrepreneurship is easier on people.
Correct.
ओके तो फॉर एग्जांपल जो हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर है मोदी जी, उन्होंने वो मेड इन इंडिया कैंपेन कुछ लॉन्च किया था, उसके अंतर्गत बहुत सारी स्कीम्स हैं, देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ पॉलिसीज which are there that you can take benefit of, and because nobody teaching you this, nobody talks about this, you don't know of it, and you don't know what are the helps that you can get, what are the leverages you can take. Okay,
Correct.
and that is something I have figured out. People who even are chartered accountants, imagine, मतलब वो लोग का काम है लोगों का पैसे मैनेज करना एंड इनकम टैक्स फाइल करना. इवन देर आर 90 तो चलो मेरे को लगता है कि ज्यादा ही होगा, 80% चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स डोंट इवन नो ऑफ द entrepreneurial policies that are made by the government. So that is one thing. So for example, if you are doing this, but your most of the things are digital, right?
Correct,
So you
correct.
can get into a cap of digital India, and you can get a lot more benefits there. Okay.
Correct.
And on the similar line, the second point is government by default has made any startup having tax benefits. So you see giant companies जिनका turnover 100 crore से ज्यादा है, वो लोग भी बोल रहे हैं कि हाँ हम startup ही हैं.
Startup ही हम सब. Correct.
हाँ. So the problem that happens is, no, people who are actually supposed to take advantage of it don't have the resources to, or are not aware about it.
Correct.
And जो लोग को पता है वो लोग एकदम मिल करते हैं. Imagine a multi-million-dollar company is taking advantage
Claiming
of
to be
human
a startup. Correct.
Yeah. So that is something that entrepreneurial education we do not have, but you can get it on Google. I am not saying that you have to go enroll into some course or pay some money. I am saying do some research and तुम्हारा ही पैसा बच रहा है उससे.
Correct. You will have to have some curiosity from your end.
Yeah. So you get a lot of tax benefits if you find out. So for example, if somebody is freelancing, so there is there are different forms that you have to fill. So form 3 and form 4, form 16 के अंदर वो आता है CD. So if you are doing form D, let's say, ठीक है, so form D में by default whatever is your income, by default 50% is taken as expenses, चाहे वो हो चाहे ना हो. You don't have to send the proof also of your expenses. But if you file form C, ठीक है, so whatever revenue you have shown, उसके against आपको अपना expenses दिखाना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
And only that is deducted from the tax.
Okay.
Okay. So अगर if your expenses are huge, so for example now you have just started doing business, so now your internet का खर्चा must be skyrocketing, है ना?
Yeah,
बिजली का
website,
खर्चा
platforms, all of these things.
Yeah, and if you're smart, no, what people do is कि बिजली का खर्चा भी उसमें डाल देते because work from home, no?
Correct.
So my work is my office.
Correct.
Okay? So you can get your electricity expenses there. ठीक है, तो अगर आपके घर पे बाई आ रही है साफ कर रही है, वो क्लीनिंग ऑफिस मेंटेनेंस एक्सपेंसेस वहां पे. ठीक है, सो when you are eating something, या आपने for example you've ordered something from Swiggy, and I love that, I know that you love cheesecake, so you ordered some cheesecake. So you can write it under miscellaneous expenses and get away with it.
Correct. Correct.
So that's why there are a lot of benefits of running your own business, but you should know what are the tactics that you can use to maximize your leverage. देखो गवर्नमेंट कभी ऐसा नहीं बोलेगी कि हमको कम पैसा दो, तुम अपना ग्रोथ देखो. Nobody is going to tell you that. Okay, unless there is somebody who has just started a business and is feeling कि इतना चार्ज करना सही है क्या.
Right.
Okay? So you have to find out your own way. So second thing is please find out tax benefits. And you will. It's very easy. If you don't know, read upon it. It's very simple to find resources to read on it. And the last point that a lot of people do, sorry, a lot of people do is when you are an entrepreneur, okay, or when you started anything new, which requires you on the face, you as the face and you as the body of the company also. So you think कि मेरा पहला business ही मेरा hit business हो जाएगा.
Correct, which is not true for many.
Exactly. But because it does not run, you're so crippled by that thought that oh my god, ये work नहीं किया तो आगे क्या ही work करेगा.
Correct.
So I am a loser. Whatever I touch turns to shit. So then, because they're afraid, they don't touch new things. That is something that could have been an added advantage. For example, I was watching your interview with Anchit. What is that guy's name? Anshay. Okay. And when they started in 2016-17, they were only talking about the food to eat out.
Correct.
And then once he made that Rajasthani dish, and then everybody was falling in love with it. And then he realized, अच्छा लोगों के पास हर दिन मोमो नूडल खाने बाहर नहीं जा सकते. They want something ethnic. So he moved from that particular hotel का खाना to homemade food. So he customized himself, and that helped him in gaining more audience.
Exactly.
If you think कि इससे नहीं होगा या I have failed once, I will fail always. No. And that is something I got help through stand-up comedy. Because stand-up comedy is all about failing 90% of the time.
Right.
Only 10% of the time you make audience laugh, and you make set of that 10%. You make money of that 10%.
Correct.
So then I realized I feel a lot of times it's okay. So that is why even when I enrolled for your course creation workshop, first time you were doing it, I've been following you for a while. So I know that you can add value, and that is something I had it in my mind, and I saw it. And I was like, हाँ करना है. I had typed my email address when you had said that if you're interested, type your email address here, I'll get back to you.
And you did not, I guess.
Okay. हाँ, so I typed it and I was like, मेरे पास time नहीं है. And then I backed out, okay? And then every day I would see your post, or I would just, normally also you think, right? And I would think, shit यार, मतलब मेरे को कर लेना चाहिए था. I could add value to people's life. And that was the moment that my job was also at stake. मतलब ऐसा होता कि job से शायद निकाल देंगे. So I was like, alternate source of income होना चाहिए. Because again, माँ बाप नहीं देने वाले, ठीक है?
Correct.
So then I was like, I know two things. I know stand-up comedy and I know money. And if I can create courses on those, and I can help people, that will be great. एक तो I'll be helping people, दूसरा I'll be getting to talk, and तीसरा most importantly I'll be getting paid.
Correct.
So because I did that course, I was able to help people. I was able to also like generate money. So I remember when you were talking about people will get this much return, because a lot of your students like Sargam and all, did fantastic in the first week itself.
Correct.
First week में उसका 3 महीने का खर्चा प्लस निकल गया है, dude. मतलब what is left, I don't know. Okay. But when I was doing that course, I realized, see, it is like education. When you pay the fees, you don't expect result immediately. It's a long-term process.
Correct.
Luckily for me and luckily for others, it came instantly.
Correct. I guess for you also it was in the by second week, right? For you also it was by the second
Yes.
week. It was like covered all of.
Yes.
In fact, more.
Yes. Yes. No, in the first week itself I covered. No, in first week I
You
had
were
like
first
8 students.
7, 6, yeah, 8 students. Correct.
8 students, and then one didn't turn up, so then I had to take her later, whatever. But like 8 students turned up, but all of them turned up on the last day. When like I was talking to you, I said, "Ki one is student hai." You're like, you have to do it. 1 hai ya 10 hai. You understand now value of 1 student. I was like, हाँ उसने पैसे भरे. हाँ, so you understand they believe in you and they've invested their money in you. You do not back out. And that was a great thing, because if I had backed out, I would not have had like 7 other people.
Correct.
And there have been days that there were 20 people on the workshop. There were days that there were 2 people on the workshop. But I have done my workshop, and I enjoyed the process of it because I was helping people. Because I was talking about things that nobody else was talking about. So that is very important. That that was the third point that I wanted to speak about. Is that do not restrict to one particular field, that this. You can adapt to more things.
Correct.
For example, when Facebook was launched, Facebook was just to tell you how hot you look or you don't look hot. So that was like or dislike. Okay?
Correct.
Now it has become a social media giant which connects billions of people.
Correct.
So they have also realigned themselves. So that realigning is something that you have to be very used to.
Yes, and yes. Okay. So I really liked all 3 points. First one was about educating yourself. Second one was about knowing your tax benefits and everything. In fact, a lot of schemes, thanks to Modi ji, we have got, and obviously
yes,
a lot of.
Where it's due. मतलब देखो जहाँ पे अच्छे से बोलना चाहिए.
Exactly. And the third one was about not
getting crippled.
not feeling scared to, or not getting scared just to fail. Consider that fail as an attempt, and go for it again and again and again, unless and until you make it work. Next thing that I want to ask you is we talk about money, we talk about finance. Obviously we have certain goals, we have certain things we want to achieve, right? Now, especially if, say, in my business, I would have, I want XYZ number to be achieved by this month end, or I want XYZ number to be achieved by this week, whatever, like different for different people. So whenever we talk about financial goals, tell me the important things that one has to remember. This is not just for the professional goals, like professional financial goals, but probably something which, say, I want to go on some kind of tour, or something, a solo trip, something of that.
You want to buy a car, or you want to get
married,
or just like buying a MacBook also is an investment, I think. It's a financial goal. So I think you should divide what I do and what I teach also is divide your financial goal into short term, mid term, long term. Okay? So for example, buying a laptop will not take such a long time. So even if you take MacBook comes for 80 grand, or maximum अगर आप high end ले रहे हो, ये थोड़ा adjust कर लोगे 1 लाख रुपए तक आ जाएगा. ठीक है? So that is not a long term goal, that is a short term goal. ठीक है? A medium term goal can be that I want to go to
renovate a house.
Yeah. So for example, let's say you want to go on a trip. ठीक है? 1 लाख में trip हो सकती है, but let's say you want to go on a Euro trip. वो 1 लाख में नहीं होगी. You need some funds for it, and keep it like mid. कि भैया मेरे को 2 साल में या 3 साल में जाना है. ठीक है?
So the duration will also improve.
Yes, and then long term is you buying a house, let's say. ठीक है? So then you understand, if you have to buy a laptop, how long can you wait? Can you wait 6 months? So you say, I can wait 6 months. In 6 months time, I want laptop. So that means 1 lakh divided by 6. ठीक है, तो
I'll
तुमको
have to
उतना
save
हाल
every
है ना. Yes, so that becomes your motivation. And whenever you are thinking, no, कि dude ये खरीदना है, so you also are not catering to just one goal. You have 3 goals now. तो इसमें भी पैसे जा रहे हैं, इसमें भी पैसे जा रहे हैं, इसमें भी पैसे जा रहे हैं.
Correct.
So first thing is you have to be very clear with your financial goal, and you have to be very clear with the financial goal duration.
Correct.
किसी का 6 months है, किसी का 1 साल है, whatever the duration you decide. Nobody is forcing you to decide. आप decide करो and accordingly you save things. So first thing is very clearly have a financial goal and financial time period. It is very very important. And second thing I would say, मतलब जो माँ बाप बोल रहे हैं बचपन से कि sacrifice थोड़ा सा present, ठीक है. आप स्विगी से मंगा रहे हो, आपको वॉफल खाना है, देखो ना किसमें ऑफर है, किसमें से आपको बेनिफिट मिल सकता है. अगर वहां पे जाके लेने में सस्ता है तो चले जाओ, अभी मत जाओ, अभी कोविड चल रहा है. बट लाइक नॉर्मली यू कैन असेस थिंग्स, राइट, कि किसमें मेरा फायदा है, किसमें नहीं. तो डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ लूजिंग आउट लिटिल बिट ऑफ प्रेजेंट एक्सपेंसेस और प्रेजेंट प्लेजर्स फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर. So if you for example, if I saw 500 rupees का jar cake and I was like, dude मेरे को चाहिए, I want to eat something sweet, and I order it. So instant gratification है, consume
But I lost 500, correct.
Yeah, but then 500 rupees, if I had not wasted, or let's say I had made something at home, or let's say I had chosen a cheaper alternative, तो मेरे पास 300 रुपया बचता, और 300 रुपया आई कुड हैव सेव्ड. अगर वो सेविंग अकाउंट में भी पड़ा रहता, सो लेट्स से अगर 3% का भी रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट मिलता तो मेरे को 9 रुपए ज्यादा मिलता, ठीक है. तो आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि बी सो कॉन्शियस अबाउट मनी. आई एम सेइंग कि आप अपना
मेक बेटर चॉइसेस बेसिकली.
हाँ, आपकी जितनी चादर उतना पैर फैलाओ, बट मैं बोल रही हूँ थोड़ा और पैर बेंड कर लोगे ना तो और चादर बचेगी आपके पास, तो आपको ही काम में आएगी कि आप पैर के नीचे भी डाल सकते हो इफ यू आर फीलिंग टू कोल्ड, है ना. So you have to find your thing and don't be afraid of कि भाई ये कर लिया, ये कर लिया, ये कर लिया. And at the same time, it's the third point is it's a muscle memory, ठीक है. So once you exercise, once you do a particular thing, you remember it. Okay.
Correct. Your brain will automatically start adjusting things accordingly, I believe.
Yeah. So for example, अच्छा, Umang Khattar says perfect cake example. हाँ, Umang, I ordered cake last night. I am not even making this shit up. Like I had blueberry something I had.
Don't tell me you had a cheesecake, because then I'm removing you right away. Like right now, you just say cheesecake and I'm clicking on the cross.
I can't afford cheesecake, but it was some kind of cake that I ate, and then I was thinking, I was so guilty of it. I was like कि सूजी पड़ा था घर पे, I could have made हलवा कि मेरा खाने का मन हो रहा था.
Exactly.
But then once you do know, it's a muscle memory. So more you work out, better you get at it. So even if you have not worked out for 1 week, the moment you hit the floor, you are able to do the same thing. You might not be able to do it with the same gusto, but you are able to do it because it's a muscle memory.
Correct.
So the more you save, the more you have habit of curbing your consumption, easier it will be for you. So you see how we are little impatient than our parents. वो लोग अगर बाहर जाते तो उनका रहता है कि अरे ये तो मैं घर पे बना सकती थी.
Yes.
बनाएगा कोई नहीं, but बोलते हैं वो लोग, ठीक है.
Correct. Probably their muscle memory has been taught them that this can be done at home rather, like instead of spending here, I might as well go home and make it, prepare it, bake it, whatever.
Yeah, so remember it's a muscle memory, because every time you say no to yourself, you say no, आज चीज केक नहीं खाना है, या आज केक नहीं खाना है, या बाहर से नहीं मंगाना है, मैंने एक्सपेंस खर्चे नहीं करने हैं. You're training your brain to have more patience, and once you have that, once you've taught yourself that, then the things get easier.
I remember one of my mentors talking about this. She says, if you want to reach to your goals faster, get on the no train.
Yes.
Because you will reach way faster than you can expect and you can imagine. So I really like that point. Let me check if there are any questions or any comments. So Umang, Neha, Nishita, hi Suma, and there is Ruchi here. So any questions, if you guys have, please drop in the comment section. Umang is saying Rahul is very, very guilty right now. No, I'm not guilty. I'm just enjoying. Sushma is
You
saying
are guilty
amazing.
of cheesecake. You are guilty of cheesecake.
I'm proud
She
of
has written
cheesecake.
upper.
I'm proud of cheesecake. I'm not guilty of any cake. Hello, especially. Okay, so Swapnil is saying, please save this live. I can't continue watching. Please save it. Okay, we are obviously saving this live. Munching this, I don't know, that work, something of that sort. She's saying, oh my god, you are hilarious. Yes, she is. That's her job. She has to be hilarious. Okay. So Shagun, can you repeat the income tax wala? Okay. So what I want you to do actually about this particular part only, Shagun, can we have a session, separate session? Okay. If you want, you can charge depending upon how fits in your time schedule, everything. What I want you to do is, can we have something where you can talk about different things, different schemes, tax-related benefits, especially for entrepreneurs? Like, can we have
Yes,
a small
yes,
session?
yes.
Like, obviously not on Instagram. We will have a separate session, probably on Zoom or somewhere. We can do free, we can do paid, anything is fine. But do you think it's a good idea
Because
to
there are
have?
some policies which are outdated, so even I'll have to read on that. But the income tax thing, I can cover it. वो मेरे को पता है. I also like see one thing that I would like to say is Rahul has created such a good community of people who are there. So I remember when I took course creation batch with Rahul. So we had like a lot of students
When
with us.
Anamika, Suman and
Yes,
Anamika were there.
Anamika,
Soumya was there.
Soumya, Suman, Avantika, and all of us had such a blast. Okay, and once and because he does not allow us to talk. Okay, so
It's
we
a good
never
thing.
could share our Instagram IDs or whatever. But somehow we found each other. Okay, and then when we started creating our workshop, so even without speaking, people have taken screenshot and have shared it, and it was so overwhelming. Okay, and then when I took the Instagram boot camp, that is where I found Anuja and other people, and that was so wonderful. And then he has this mastermind class where I found Neha and Mandar, and there was one more girl here, I forgot her
Keerti.
name.
I guess Keerti.
Yeah,
Keerti Sanika, I don't know.
and once we were having late night session where I think somebody came and Keetki. Keetki है या क्या है?
Keerti
She's
wasn't
in
there for
US.
the. Yeah, Keerti is in Paris.
Okay, somewhere. So again, she found me on Insta, and I was so happy that the community that you have created is so good and so amazing people. So when I told them that I was not able to take Instagram live because a lot of comedians ka this double-sided thing is not coming. They
Correct.
can go live or I can go live, but this I think there's some glitch in this. So Neha automatically said that we'll do live. Mera sab kuch sahi chal raha hai. So then yesterday I had a live with Neha. It was such a fun because. It's not just that we are doing this one-time thing. It's just like we are part of this Rahul Devkar unwanted, unknown family, whatever. So it's very a delicate network that you have created. Also, like a lot of people. So, for example, when we attended Amrita's session, when Amrita from Amrita of Life
Amrita of
came
Life.
and talked about. Yeah.
Yeah.
So then she was also like, Shagun, whenever you do that finance workshop, please tell me. Okay. So I sent her, she's like, अरे मैं बाहर जा रही हूँ. Why do you only have workshops when I am going out? So then I tell her, देखो मेरी workshop Saturday को रहती है, आपको जब आना आ जाना. So it's just that very delicate network is there, and I'm very happy to be part of it. So I would love to do something on tax benefits. So
Perfect.
somebody Hottie G3 says, B, you look damn good. Thank you, baby. I don't know
I don't
who
know.
you are, but I love
I
you.
was
You are
about to
real
say I
hottie.
don't know who Hottie G3. Sanika is saying I agree. Somebody had commented something. Neha is saying Rahul is the Guru Dad. Yes.
Yes.
So
Perfect name, Neha. Perfect name.
okay. So what I want you to tell me, Shagun, if you have any workshops coming up this week, next week, and obviously we can work out on the tax related and the entrepreneurship related workshops, which will like very specifically tell you that this is the policy, this is the scheme, this is what Modi ji has done, this is someone else has done. All of those things we can discuss in great detail because obviously you will need slides and all of that. But if you have anything ready right now, if somebody is interested in attending, can you please tell me more about it?
Yes, so I have a basics of money management workshop. So it talks about what is money, how you can have sustainable spending, how you can have sustainable growth. So when we talk about financial goal here, so I
Mm-hmm.
also talk about financial goal. I talk about budgeting. So these are the topics that we have never been spoken about. Then I talked about savings and investment. So most of the people think saving and investment is the same thing. It's not. So we go on that roller coaster ride. That's the main gist of my workshop, that I talk to them that what you can do when you've just started earning money, what you
Correct.
can do when you don't know how uncertain your future is. So for example, if you're a freelancer, you don't know कि कल का income कहाँ से आएगा.
Correct.
ठीक है.
Correct.
So what you can do in that situations, how you can monetize uh, existing things that you have, existing talents you have, because I think everybody has talent. Everybody's talent is different. Some people
Correct.
are very very good behind the camera. Some people are very good in front of it. Some people love cooking. Some people can play it very well. So a lot of
Some people
people
can
who
eat
do.
and tell that it's good or it's bad.
I was just coming to that. I was just
that's
coming to
that's
that.
me.
So,
That's me.
so people do food styling also, right? How to decorate a plate. So if you see, if you eat the same food, how it is decorated is mind blowing. So a lot of people have a lot of those talents, and just because you have talent does not mean that you cannot monetize it. Because in
Correct.
India, or very conventionally, what we are taught is what khana bande. What we are taught is the conventional career is the way to go. Engineer, doctors, managers are the way to go. But
Correct.
I think now, बहुत हो गया हमारे पास engineer, doctor, whatever. Now we need people, we need artists, we need people who we can find our voice with. Now when we are in pandemic, all of us are binging on Netflix, Amazon Prime, and whatnot. They are what they
Correct.
are artists. If you can find your passion, it is very difficult to find. First of all, find your passion. Then it is very difficult to find ways to monetize it. And then once you have done it, the regular source of income. But I'm saying it is worth it. I have gone through the entire journey, and I'm telling you it is worth it.
And I really like, you mentioned this particular live in your stories. You said this is about passion, paisa, and pasina, right?
Yes.
So you talked about that. I really liked the overall concept. As you said, right now in current situation, and I believe like going forward, you will need alternative careers. You will need multiple sources of income. You will need passive incomes. You will need active incomes. You will need ways, streams which you want to take complete control of. Say, for example, whatever your mainstream job is. Say, in your case, suppose teaching is your main job. But suppose tomorrow, if you don't want to do that, and if you decide that okay, I want to stop it, you will have another multiple streams to
Right.
hold you to the entire thing. So basically, as they say for investment, right, keeping eggs in different baskets rather than keeping
Yes.
everything in one,
So,
right?
so they say that for investment, I am saying you can do that with income as well. You can have multiple sources of income, and that was one of the reasons that I took your workshop, to find out my way of earning, alternate way of income. Because I knew if I get canned right now, there is no college who is hiring, and even if they
Correct.
hire, they are not going to take me full time. They'll probably take me as a visiting faculty. कि आप
Correct.
आओ लेक्चर पढ़ाओ और चले जाओ. And I
Correct.
enjoy teaching. So you have to find out first of all what you're interested in, क्या पसंद है आपको, और उसके बाद आप I am telling you, anytime somebody has found their passion, they have cried to tears, because first of all nobody supports you.
Correct.
Second of all, जब तक पैसा नहीं है ना, nobody gives a fuck about you. I am very sorry. चाहे आप कुछ भी करो लाइफ में, ठीक है, जब तक आपके पास पैसा नहीं
You will
रहेगा,
need money.
yeah, and the point here is paisa aayega. It comes. See, I teach for a living, and I tell all my students, I tell my MBA students, I tell my undergrad students, please don't be focused on placement. Please don't be focused on one career. Find your passion and also find that deliverable. तो अगर आपके पास दो चीजें हैं या आपके पास दो तीन career options है, that is much better, that is much stronger than just relying on one thing. Because what if that one thing does not work out? Because we're
Exactly.
always
And
taught.
I was actually going to talk about that point only, where you talked about what if that doesn't work out. I personally believe that every career has an expiry date. It's not in terms of others rejecting it, but I'm talking about you as a person, right? You grow out of it, you move out of it. Probably, suppose one job you're doing it for like 20 years, you will reach one point where it's not about others, it's about you, and you don't want to do it, right? But even at that point, you will need something which you can continue, because human brain, we are humans, we need to continuously keep on working. You should be having something. A lot of people do this, right? After they are retired, then they pick up something else. But we are in a time where you cannot be dependent for that retirement wala plan ki uske baad mein main ye karunga. You need to have it figured out right now. A lot of resources are there, a lot of online courses are there. If you want to learn something, you can learn something. If you want to learn a new skill, anything that you want, you can definitely go and learn. It's just a phone away. It's just a tap away from your wherever you are in your career. So Shagun, thank you so much for joining in today. And as you were talking about your workshop, right? So can you give us the details?
Yes.
When are you taking your next workshop, so that
Before
anybody
I
who is
do that,
interested?
there's somebody called Star.Sanika. She has written, Shagun, you should share your stories more and more and more. There are so many people who want to do this, but they don't have enough relatable role models. You are so relatable. That's your super power, I assume. Yeah, because see, I've failed a lot. I'm telling you, like I've ran away from 10 rupee ticket. ठीक है, मतलब उससे ज़्यादा मतलब गरीबी क्या ही होगी मेरे को नहीं पता. So the point here is that is why I take my money management workshop, where I talk about various sources of income, what you can do to increase your income, what you can do to turn your passion into a paisa making scheme, how you go about once you have a stable job, or even you have an unstable job, how to go about saving and investing. Because one thing that I've learned through COVID, and one thing, and I was very lucky that I was studying in 2008 when recession happened. I cleared my class 10 at that point of time. So I saw recession up close, and then I wanted to take commerce. And that was also one of the reasons that I wanted to know कि economy कैसे down हो सकती है.
Correct.
And you remember when I told you about that I did not take admission into IIM Lucknow. That was one of the reasons that I knew कि what if the things don't work out.
Correct.
So you have to be, you always need to have some contingent fund. What if things don't work out?
Correct. Plan B, C, D, E.
Yeah, and it's not कि you are young, तो ही कर सकते हैं. I have a family, I cannot do it. Guys, कभी भी कर सकते हैं. But the point here is you have more leverage when you are young. You have very less to lose. Just because you have a family now, you cannot do it. No, that's not the reason enough. You want to do it, you will do it. Or else what will happen is, you have that regret. And that regret turns to hatred towards your family. So do your passion project. Do something that you want to do. Because if you don't, then nobody else is going to do. And you will see people doing the things that you want to do. So
and then you will regret.
Yeah, one thing that I'm very happy about is that finally you have started putting things on YouTube. Oh, and it's great, the music and everything, and the conversation is just so fluid that I was working on my PhD last night and I was listening to you guys, and it was so fun because my topic for PhD is entrepreneurship, right? So then it was so refreshing to hear his point of view and just the conversation that was there, and I thought this is the talk show that I want to watch. I don't want to watch Coffee with Karan. I want to watch real conversation with Rahul Devkar.
Yeah. Sounds like a good name, no? Let me just note it down. Actually, a real conversation with Rahul Devkar.
I gave you Rahul.
What?
You took none of them. I don't know.
Yeah.
Some stupid
name. Thank you so much. I did not consider them. Anyway, let me just check who all are here. So Sanika is here, Umang is here, Mandar, Krishma, Anjali, Suma. So guys, if you have any questions, please ask. We just have 5 minutes left with us. So if you have anything to ask to Shagun, Shagun has workshop on Saturday, right?
Yeah, Saturday, 7:15 p.m. If you want, you can go to my Instagram profile. The link is in the bio. Or else you can just DM me. क्या अपना वाला मंदार है क्या? Mandar's Diary?
Yes, that's the same Mandar.
Okay, I'll follow Mandar. I was searching for him, but there are so many Mandar.
Exactly. So guys, if you are interested in attending and knowing more about money, because I personally have seen and I'm still experiencing, I'm not saying that I have figured it out all. I know that even I'm struggling. I know that it's very uncertain for every business out there. And learning is something which we cannot stop. Learning is something which we cannot discontinue, right? We as an entrepreneur, we as a small business owner or business owner, I should stop saying small business owners, but I personally believe that everybody needs to know more about money. um, finance, personal finance, wealth management, everything that falls under the most, what do you say, critical part of our existence. So learn from anywhere. If you are interested in learning from somebody who is funny and who will make this entire learning process fun and entertaining for you, you can follow Shagun at God Farmaiye, the amazing Instagram handle that she has. Follow her first of all. If you have any questions, any doubt, obviously reach out to her. She has the link in bio where you can click and register for the workshop. She will make sure that you will fall in love with finance, you will fall in love with money and how to manage it well. So there's one question Sanika has. Can you tell me more about this workshop? How many days, how many hours, and topics? I guess it's a single day workshop, right? Saturday, 7
Yeah,
to.
it's a single day workshop, so the content varies. Okay, so so normally my workshop ends in couple of hours, so 7:15 to 9:15 it ends. But sometimes people have their queries. So for example, if you come and you have queries, so we talk it out. So the most important thing is we talk about money. So if you have any queries, so sometimes it goes on for longer. So, but the main gist of the workshop is finished in couple of hours. Then there's a Q&A session. And then I talk about various investments that are there. So for example, one thing that I want to like upfrontly say is, see, as somebody who had a finance career and now is teaching finance, we overcomplicate things. Okay,
Yes.
SIP, PPF, GPF, TPF, EBIT, EBITDA. हमें पता है कि तुम्हें कंफ्यूजन होता है और उस कंफ्यूजन का हम लोग फायदा उठाते हैं because if you think that finance is easy, how will these people from
Fun.
Dalal Street to the Wall Street will make money?
Correct.
So I will
correct.
make sure that I explain you all these things so that you don't fall trap to it. See, for example, you might need somebody who is managing your money.
Correct.
ठीक है, आपके पास होगा आपका मनी मैनेजर वॉट एवर. जैसे आपके पास भाई होती है, आपको झाड़ू लगाना आता है, तभी आप उसको बोल सकते हैं ना कि भाई तूने ढंग से नहीं लगाया.
यहाँ से साथ ठीक से साथ.
So your money manager cannot fool you if you know about these things.
Correct. Correct.
Even if you have, even if you come that I have a CA, I have a manager, great. But you should know about money. अगर वो बोल रहे हैं कि अरे मार्केट में पैसा डूब गया, मैंने SBI में लगाया था, तो तुम बोल सकते हो कि SBI तो ग्रोथ दिखा रहे, तो कहाँ से डूब गया तेरा पैसा?
Correct.
So you can find those loopholes. So finance is something that we should know about. And my main thing is I want people to talk about these things. And we make it confusing so that कि तुमको नहीं समझे and then you see these news कि उसका मैनेजर उसके पैसे लेके भाग गया, उसका मैनेजर उसकी बीवी लेके भाग गया because of money.
Correct. Krishma is saying yes, very well said. Said we confuse people. So Krishma is into finance. I guess she's, I don't know, she's in some finance-related company only. So I is saying you so good, Shagun, and your examples. Yes. So I guess we have, we have reached at the end of our session. Thank you so much, Shagun, for joining in. And those who are interested in learning from Shagun, the funny professor, please reach out to her at Gaur Farmaiye and click on the link in her bio in order to register for her workshop. I'm very sure and I can guarantee you that it is going to be an amazing session. As an entrepreneur, you need to play 3 important roles. One is a marketer, second one is your salesperson, and third one is your accountant, right? So marketing, sales, I am handling it for you. I'm teaching you how to do that on your own. But if you want somebody to teach you how to be an accountant for you and your business, Shagun is the right person. Please reach out to her, DM her, pareshan kar do usko, and she would be more than happy to help you and serve you. Thank you so much, Shagun, for joining me today, and it was great fun to have you here. Thank you so much.
Such a privilege. Thank you so much, Rahul.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.